Hi everyone, it's Marina and Joe. Welcome to our nighttime tour of Longleat Center Parcs Winter Wonderland 2022. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. And why not subscribe? It really helps the channel grow. We'd love to hear your thoughts too. Let us know down in the comments. We stayed at Center Parcs Longleat for 4 nights in the first week of their Winter Wonderland 2022. This is an annual event run every year from early November to early January. The entire resort was festively decorated, from lodges and footpaths to the plaza and swimming pool. However, the heart of this event is to be found in the village square, which was transformed into Santa's Woodland village and the Enchanted Light Garden. While this was a magical place in the daytime, it really had to be seen at night to be truly appreciated. The lights in the Enchanted Garden were set to music, as was the large Christmas tree on arrival, creating a truly breathtaking display. Sadly, we've not been able to include the music here for copyright reasons. However, this fantastic light display really does speak for itself. There is no additional charge for entry into either the Enchanted Light Garden or into Santa's Woodland Village. However, there are some additional activities available to book in Santa's Village that do have an extra cost. This was an incredibly popular part of the resort, with guests both young and old, with extra festive atmosphere being created by the artificial snow machine. It's worth noting that some activities such as falconry don't run during Winter Wonderland, as these would normally take place in the same space. However, we feel that the range of extra festive events on offer more than make up for this. Our 3-year-old particularly loved the singing reindeer, and we came back time and time again. All in all, we were enchanted by the Winter Wonderland and the magic that it created. As a festive UK-based break, we really couldn't have asked for more. We hope you've enjoyed this video. We've got more Center Parcs Longleat content coming soon, including a tour of our exclusive lodge. Please subscribe to catch that video. Thanks for watching.